I have explained to them that Honorable Union Home Minister Sri Amit Shah ji has met them during the oath-taking ceremony of the new government. And Home Minister met Pradyut ji before election also. Series of interaction has taken place at the highest level. And in last week, you have seen the tweets of Maharaj, where he has said that Honorable Union Home Minister and he had a telephonic interaction. During the interaction in Agartala, Home Minister has clearly said that Government of India has a roadmap to fast track the solution, rather early solution of the tribal problem faced by the tribal people of Tripura. Now, it is just a question of patience. We all know how much Prime Minister has love and affection for the Northeast. We all know how one by one Union Home Minister Amit Shah ji is resolving all the problem. Tripura problem, tribal problem of Tripura is also high on his agenda. So I have requested Maharaj ji and Tripura Motha delegation to just have little bit of patience. And I am sure that soon the process will be initiated, and I have only requested them that please have full trust and confidence on our Prime Minister and Home Minister, and all this problem will be resolved amicably. Already roadmap is there. Tentative discussion has already been taken place. It is just a matter of time.
Well, the delegation did not reveal anything, but they said that they are very happy. What does that mean?
You see, we have a very open interaction. Rather, to be fair, Union Home Minister had a long discussion with Maharaj Pradyut ji prior to the election and after declaration of the election. Some roadmap has already been laid down, but you need to discuss with all the stakeholders. So, Home Minister has said that we will discuss with all the stakeholders and we will resolve the problem, because tribal people of Tripura has some grievances and it is important to redress those grievances. But only thing that you need to have little bit of patience. You need to have trust and confidence on our Prime Minister and Home Minister. And I am sure that we don't have to wait for too long. Problem will be resolved soon. Process will be started soon.
When can we expect the interlocutor to be appointed, and who is likely to be appointed?
You see, for me to give a time frame is not good. And it is entirely up to the Home Minister. But I know, because I was present in the discussion, when the discussion, first round of discussion has taken place in Agartala. Home Minister is very, very keen to resolve the problem. He is very, very keen. Only thing I have told Tripura Motha people that please have little bit of patience. Please have confidence on our PM and HM.
Will you be involved in the talks till the talks reaches the Union Home Minister's level?
You see, personally, I have limited role, because you know I have a very good relationship with Maharaj. So whenever there is something I need to speak to Union government, I can speak on behalf of Maharaj. And also I can communicate if there is anything required to be communicated. But to resolve the tribal problem, you need to talk every section. It is not that you can resolve this only by one or two sittings. There are many stakeholders. You need to discuss with them. I have explained to Tripura Motha delegation yesterday that in this discussion you have to involve government of Tripura. In this discussion, you may have to involve other civil society organization also, because there will be some claims and counter claims. But the point is that we recognize the problem, we want to resolve the problem, and Union Home Minister is very keen to resolve the problem. So if Tripura Motha shows little bit of patience and repose their trust and confidence on our Honorable Home Minister, I think this problem will be resolved. Personally, I have highest respect for the Maharajji, his dedicated service for the tribal people of Tripura, and I am sure if Maharajji also has some trust, has shown trust and confidence on our PM and HM, the issue will be resolved soon.
Lastly, as the NEDA convener, what message would you like to give to the tribal people in Tripura?
Only one thing I will say most humbly, that Government of India is seized of the matter. Your leader, Maharaj, has already spoken to Union Home Minister on 2-3 occasions. A detailed interaction has taken place. However, in order to proceed with the discussion, give some time frame, give some time to Government of India so that they can proceed in a very systematic manner. Please have some patience. That will be my only request.
Thank you very much.